Emilia.
Come across the wild horse. Got a donkey, I think that one.
Hello.
Hello.
Make sure you get my good side.
What is it, Kiva?
That is the exact reason why we have to drive safely in the New Forest.
And everyone's, all the girls are looking quite good today because we're donning our new outfits, which we will show you when we park up. So we're here. I've just got out of the car, getting sorted. Emilia has already found some sticks, muddy puddles. Izzy's having fun on a bit of a thing. Doesn't this girl look cute? Mama's little mini. Say hi, everybody. Emilia, say hi. Yep, she's being a As you can see, she wants to find muddy puddles.
I'm wrapped up with the dog.
And Carl is
Emilia. Emilia, where are you going? So for any parents out there, obviously you know that children cost way too much. I think studies said something about £230,000 to raise a child. Isabel, £230,000, sorry, just saying. So essentially as parents, we need to look at ways to budget. And that's why this video is actually sponsored by a company called Wholee. They do really great brands, to be fair. It's obviously not going to be Nike, it's not Gucci, but as parents, well, who can afford that realistically? So we have to look at other places, other ways, and Wholee. Sorry, she's just in the background chilling. And so yeah, basically show off our new outfits whilst cutting around the New Forest, looking at horses, I suppose. So enjoy. So I'm just going to take a minute here and go through the app and show a couple of its cool little features. This 3D feature where you can actually look right the way around the clothes and you can actually see what you're going to get. The slogan they've given is "fits you well," meaning that you get what you see. So even with, like, for example, the detailing of the handbag, in the photo it shows even little tassels and whatnot, and it all come with it. It's like, wow, okay, cool. It's not like other companies where they actually add certain things into the photo to make the photo actually stand out or look better. This actually comes with everything in the photo, which is, I think, brilliant. Everything is really affordable. It's not like other apps such as Wish, for example, where you buy something, it's either too big, too small. We bought a dress for Charlie and it looked like a curtain rail. So, I mean, this is actually, everything fits as it should do, and the quality is actually really good. So yeah, affordability plus quality equals a happy daddy. So now, enjoy the video. Got your new little setup, got your old little dungarees.
dungarees, because fashion is quite important to me, as most people
Yeah.
wear.
And it fits you very well.
It fits amazingly well, and I love my new handbag.
There you go.
It's
Let's have a little
brilliant.
close up, shall we? Look at that.
My little handbag.
As you can tell, we're not very experienced with this whole sponsorship thing, so we're just going to wing it.
Fantastic. I love it. Love my dungarees. They fit amazing. And they feel nice. And it's important because obviously being a mum, you're running around all the time. So clothes are important to me. And yeah, I'm really impressed by them. I like them and I'll definitely be shopping again.
Awesome stuff.
Hello guys, so we're here in the New Forest, walking around with our gorgeous new outfits. As you can see, got the sunshine blazing down, surrounded by gorgeous tall trees and horses all around.
I'm posting this now.
I actually have a dance ready. How are you doing?
And as you can see, Izzy can do that dance whilst wearing her new
Because they're
jeans.
super comfy and stretchy.
And fits you well.
Oh my good girl. Great done.
Oh, I'm getting tangled up here, look. What are you doing?
She's just loving
What are you doing? Look at you. Just tangling me up, it's fine. Yeah, okay.
It's all a part of nature.
It's all a part of being a toddler.
That's a big muddy puddle.
That's a big muddy puddle.
My big girl.
That's a big muddy puddle. I can see this. No, no hands. Come on, let's go. Emilia. Emilia, let's go. Thing is, one of us has got to go in there and get her.
Not me.
And this is kind of the reason why we can't have nice stuff. Emilia.
That was actually perfect timing.
You alright? You alright there? And up we get. Stand up. There we go. And look at that. Nice new trousers. Yes, muddy. Do you like muddy puddles? Yeah, it's horse poo. She's going. So yeah, New Forest. Let's go.
And now we're sitting on the tree.
Hey, mummy.
This is my personal treat.
Is that fun?
I like the tree. There's Minnie.
What does it say, Emilia?
You want this twig for your house building?
Yeah.
Mama's Minnie. Is your mama's Minnie? Is that Buddha belly?
Oh, it's not sludgy.
So that was a little bit of an adventure. I didn't get my phone out because it was a bit wet, and yeah.
It was swampy.
We went a little bit off piece
Sinky.
in that.
It was just sinky mud.
We weren't really thinking.
It was just sinky
None of us
mud.
were wearing the right attire, apart from Emilia.
Literally,
And now I've got dirty, beautiful, dirty white trainers.
However, the dungarees are nice.
I'll tell you, they're very comfortable. I totally recommend them 100%. Click that button, guys.
I just don't recommend wearing trainers going for a swampy forest. But it's all good.